today we are going to be working with maps. And so I want to point out that our learning objective is I can interpret information on maps and know the different cardinal directions. So some of our key vocabulary that we're going to be working with today, and vocabulary that you're going to know by the end of our lesson, is direction, north, south, east, west, scale, compass, legend, cardinal directions, and map. So I want to know, have you ever gone anywhere? Have you ever traveled anywhere without a smartphone or any other type of navigational device?
No, where would we go? Yeah, how would we know our way?
So without a navigation device or a smartphone, you wouldn't know where to go? No? Okay, so what about a map? Have you ever seen a map?
I've seen it as a zoo. That's how we travel, like, around the zoo.
Okay, so you used a map at the zoo. That is a great example because you can use a map to find your way around the zoo, and that's exactly what you would do if you were traveling to a different city, a different state, or possibly even to another continent. So I want to go over several different maps that are available. A map could be as simple as you said, a map around the zoo. There could be a map that helps you navigate or know where to go around school. So your school may actually have a map for you in case of maybe a fire drill. We have here the map of the United States, and as you can see, there's borders around the different colors. Can you tell me what those borders are? What are within those borders?
The cities.
The cities? What is this?
The state. The Texas.
Texas is a state. Good job. Yes. So what are these bullet points that are within the state? Cities. Good job. So here's another map. So we've gone over states, but if we look at the bigger picture, can you tell me where we are on this map?
North America.
North America. And what are these called? What are
Continents.
Good job. These are continents. And you will find these continents on a globe. Have you ever seen a globe?
Yeah, in class.
You have? Okay, so tell me, what is the globe a representation of?
The world.
Of the world. Yes, exactly. So the world, the globe is a representation of the world, and it is actually cut up in different continents. So you'll be able to take a look at, let's say, for instance, Africa, and see what the relationship is to maybe the United States, right? Okay, good. So we've gone over maps and the different types of maps. So whenever you're looking at a map, for instance, the United States, there's usually a scale or a legend. And if you can see here, it's not too big, but we have a compass. And can you tell me what the compass is used for?
For north, south, east, and west.
North, east, south, and west. Good job. And so do you think that you'll be able to determine which way is north, east, south, west without looking at a compass? No? Okay, so let's take a look here. I want you to know that north is above, east is to the right, south is below, and west is to the left. Okay? So what I want you to do is, I have a sentence prepared here with blanks. It says, we found that Texas is blank of blank. So I'm going to give you a map of the United States. And remember, you told me where Texas was. Point at Texas for me. Okay, so at this this map of the United States, I want you to go ahead and talk with each other, and I want you to fill in those blanks. And I'll be back with you in 1 minute so that you can give me an answer to these 2 blanks, okay? Remember, your scale is right there on the map.
So if we look at Canada from Texas, it looks like it would be south from Texas. Texas is south from Canada. Yeah. So we found that Texas is south from Canada. Of Canada. Of Canada. And if we went backwards, it might have been Texas. Texas, yeah. So Texas is south from Canada. So we found that Texas is south of Texas. Texas is south from Canada, of Canada.
Okay, are we ready? All right, so go ahead, Chelsea, go ahead and stand up for me, and I want you to read the sentence out loud and go ahead and fill in the blanks with what you discussed with your partner.
We found that Texas.
Go ahead and stand up and point.
We found that Texas is south of Canada.
Okay, so let's go ahead and test that out. So you're saying that Texas is south of Canada, which means Texas is below Canada. Is she right, Charity? I can agree. Good job. Okay, so now that we've learned about maps, and then we also learned about globes, so what I want you to do is we're going to compare and contrast globes and maps. So you're going to tell me what is different between the two and what are the similarities. So here we'll label this one maps and this one will be globes. So Charity, why don't you take maps, and then Chelsea, you'll take globes, and you're just going to write in what you know about each one, and then how they're different. So how they're similar and how they're different. Remember, here's the globe,